Breaking news, the Speaker has convened an all-party meet. The meeting is underway even as we speak. We are given to understand that Rajnath Singh and Mallikarjun Kharge have reached also initially for the meet. More leaders are also now joining in. These are also the first visuals we are getting to you from inside this meet. But what is very significant and that Aishwarya is also reporting to us about is that sources indicating now that the Samajwadi Party has distanced itself from the Congress over the deadlock in the parliament. Aishwarya, this is a big and a very significant development, isn't it? Okay, we are repatching Aishwarya, who's going to get us more details. But as we know, the Samajwadi Party says that they are not with the Congress when it comes to letting this logjam persist in the parliament. Remember, we've seen hardly any work being conducted in both the houses of the parliament. The Lok Sabha Speaker there, Sumitra Mahajan, has convened an all-party meet. And those are also the visuals we are getting to you from inside this meet. But could the Congress then be completely isolated on the disruptionist approach that it has adopted? The answer could be a yes, because as sources are indicating to us, the Samajwadi Party is saying that they are not with the Congress when it comes to the deadlock in the parliament. They want a discussion. That is what we are getting to hear. Aishwarya with us for more details. Aishwarya, what do we know about how the Samajwadi Party really is looking at this disruption in the parliament?
Well, Deepthi, what we are being told by our sources that none other but the Samajwadi Party Supremo Mulayam Singh Yadav in this all-party meet, which is on under the chair of the Speaker, made it very clear that their view on all of this is completely different to that of the Congress. They say that they are not for the protest and they are not for the kind of protests which are happening inside the House, and especially with the government MPs also coming in the well with the placard, making it very clear that their view on all of this is completely different. Also, at the same point of time, we are being told that the meeting which is on is Mulayam Singh Yadav made it clear that they are not debate and they want debate and discussion. One, but several issues, including that of the demise of the former President Kalam, also including that of caste census, and also on all the other important issues. At the same point of time, Samajwadi Party has made it clear that they feel that it is the duty of the government to rather satisfy the opposition, and it's the work of the opposition to rather protest and not that of the government. But at the same point of time, the indication which is coming out is that the opposition is divided on the manner in which the kind of protests which are taking place, especially in Lok Sabha. Speaker has been trying to rather sort this all out, and especially the placards and then the kind of protests which are taking place in the well of the House on a daily basis. But at this point of time, we are being told that the all-party meet is still on, and but the regional parties have made their point very clear that their view on all of this is completely different to rather that of the Congress, and this is something.
All right. So, Aishwarya, is there going to be a break in the opposition ranks? We are watching that space very closely.